well, Ham Fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren,
and we have got another diamondy bit.
Yep.
Now, this is...
so cute.
I'm not going to show you all of them because you'll see them as they come. Well, no, actually, yes, I can. Because
Yeah.
they're going to look completely different once they're diamond painted. But these are little... I've been given keychains for
Hanging
them,
things, yeah.
which is a bit strange.
Yeah.
But yeah, these may not be the right way around that I'm showing you.
You can see it. You can see the little numbers and bits. And if you give it a spin, it's on both sides.
It is. So I don't know whether I'm diamond painting both sides or not. I'm not entirely sure yet.
You are.
That's the
idea of them.
So.
Yeah, they've got numbers on both sides.
Yes, it's whether they've got sticky paper both sides. It doesn't feel like they have.
We'll have the design to be done on it.
I don't know, guys. We'll try in a minute. These are all relatively similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was different then, but no, it isn't. They're all little hamster ones. They're quite spring related, so I've got some ivy bits. That cord I got, didn't I? That's sort of like ivy. So what I'll probably do is I'll possibly do that as... Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use ribbon or what I'm going to use. Because
you might be able to use a
turn...
small jump ring to attach one to it.
Yeah, that's right. And say it depends on how it goes, sort of thing. But I should be able to do something interesting with them.
Yeah.
Right. So now these cuffs, when you get them with these cuffs, it makes it so much easier to use these ones. I'll still be using my own ones because they're thicker, which are down there actually. And you've got your tray and your wax and half a ton of chain and ring things I won't be using because I sort of want to be able to handle them, especially if I've sort of got an idea in my head. I don't know if it'll work, so I'm not going to tell you guys about that yet because I might have to have a play around. And then you've got all your different colours, shapes, and so on. These are more teardrop shapes. So you've got larger teardrops, bigger teardrops. Then you've got
colours and
round ones and different colours and shapes, which you guys will see when I do the thing.
Has it got the letters on the bags at the front?
Usually that's how you tell them apart. Right, it looks like it'll be letters and numbers like it was the last time. They show quite clearly. But because obviously once you've opened one of these bags, you're going to lose them. Even resealing them are a pain in the butt. So I transfer them into the
bags.
These sort of bags.
Ziploc ones.
And I just stick a letter on it or a number.
Saying what one it is.
Saying which one it is. That's right. But yeah, I mean, obviously these are still from my last project ones I did. Right, so in the words of an old miner, let's get drilling. They were so much fun to do. Right, so we'll do one at a time and then show you all of them in, at the end. Now, these are double-sided. So what I did basically with each one was I started off with number 1, which is the silvery gems, or clear gems, whatever way you want to put it. Took a photo of this before anything went on it. Did the gems, turned it round, took the plastic off then, and did the other number 1. Then I did 2, 2, and so on. But yeah, these are super cute. I'm so pleased how these turned out. As you can see, I didn't use the gold bits that we got with it. I've handed them to Darren. They're so sparkly. But yeah, I've just threaded through. I had some tags I wasn't using the bits for, so I threaded those through, and as I said, I'm probably going to attach it to the vine one. You'll be seeing, it's divine. You'll be seeing this coming up. I just think that one is so cute. It's so simple, but in some ways, it's probably one of my favourites. I say I like all of them, but as I say, if I was going to have one as a potential necklace, it would be the simpler little one with the daisy. Look at that face. Okay. As I say, all of them are double-sided.
Yeah.
Which actually meant these took a lot longer than we were expecting. We didn't time it, guys, because it was just a chill-out bit. And I apologise if the pictures aren't as good as what Darren would take, but the beauty of it was this was completely self-sufficient, apart from obviously the video at the start and the end and the editing. Oh, excuse me. But now he's got half a ton of photos to take off. But no, I would recommend these type of ones to anyone. I mean, especially with Christmas coming up. I mean, admittedly, this probably won't be seen until next year, so
around Easter. It'll
probably be around Easter, which is about right for it actually, and when it'll be out on display. I'll give you a clue. But they do a lot of different ones. They also do magnet ones. They do not just hamsters, I'm talking in general, coaster ones. And I just think they make little neat gifts, really. You can pay anything from like £2-3 up to like £8 or £9. But I would stress it is very unusual to get them for that. And I'd also stress that if you are getting them from Temu like I did, put them in your basket and they'll drop the price on them, generally speaking. So, you know, that's what I've got half a ton of diamond paintings in there at the moment. I will show you, actually, I'm part of the way through a 20 by 20. Now, the reason I'm showing you this on here is, again, this is something that I haven't videoed. I will add a picture of this once it's finished, not necessarily to this one, but to when I'm talking about different diamond paintings. So it will be shown at some point. So I've done just under half, I think. And I just stuck it on my clipboard, A4 clipboard. It hangs slightly, but I have got a colouring in bit at the back that's about the same size.
It's not bad. This was less than £1 as well. Yeah,
this is it. And to be honest, it's not something that I'm doing for video particularly. It's something I'm doing for me. So it's just been a chill out. Plus I've had to get into the routine of doing the diamond paintings again, which I have loved. But yeah, 20 by 20, you're never going to get the best picture in the world, although that's quite close up. It's the ones further away that you want to avoid for the smaller sizes. Also, if there's lots of different little bits on it, it's never going to show up as well. So something like that actually isn't too bad at all.
No.
But it's like anything, it's trial and error. But as Darren said, that was under £1. And I think I've got some coming that were like 60 something p. So I
don't know exactly how much it was, but it was under £1.
Yeah.
So yes,
but
different ones.
Again, if you just want to put in diamond painting or any of your categories, like I look at plus size women clothes or men's clothes or just plus size, and then it does both, and then select sorry and then just select sort by lowest first. Now with diamond painting you're going to get some tools come up and different bits, as well as the actual diamond painting, unless you specify like diamond painting coaster or diamond painting magnet or whatever. These were down as key rings, but so there's plenty of different choices out there. I'd recommend perhaps doing coasters or magnets which are one-sided before you went for these, but right guys, so all that leaves me to say is be different, a very merry and hoo-hoo, and let's go for the simple little man. Boop!